Hey, I just want to talk real quick about a problem that I've been seeing more and more lately. We had some high school club sports athletes. We were testing vertical jump, and I noticed over and over again, as they were squatting down and preparing to leave the ground, their knees were collapsing inward. We call that knee valgus. And it's a very serious condition. We think a lot of the ACL, MCL injuries, especially non-contact injuries, where you're just changing directions, planning, and the knee goes. A lot of those things can be prevented if you have proper control of where your knees are when you're squatting, cutting, jumping, and so forth. So what's really happening there is the brain is supposed to be sending a signal to the muscles on the side of the hips to engage, to hold those knees where they're supposed to be before you start using the big muscles to jump or squat or cut. And unfortunately, that signal is not getting through for whatever reason. So how do we retrain the brain to send that signal first before you jump or before you cut? So got a simple technique here. Just uses a very, very light resistance band. We don't want this to be a heavy one or a thick one. It should just provide a little bit of resistance. Just have the athlete put it on and have it just above your knees. And so what's happening now is that band is trying to pull my knees together. My brain has to send a signal to hold that band apart, to spread it apart. And now you can just practice a few jumps and landings while trying to maintain proper knee position. This band is trying to pull me together, and my brain knows it has to fight against it. And so I'm just retraining the brain to fire those muscles before I squat or jump. Now you probably have to do like 3 sets of 10 during a session, and chances are one session will not be enough to fix this problem. You're gonna have to do it over and over and over again, maybe 3 sessions, maybe 5, maybe 10. Stay with it until this is happening automatically when you jump and squat without you having to think about it. All right, give it a go.